Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a house tour of the Tabbory family. If you didn't know about the mishap of the pool, finally Nico has fixed the damage. It took ages and they had to call the company, but they got it fixed. So we're gonna do the tour inside the house. If you didn't know about the pool mishap, oh, we have mail. If you didn't know about the pool mishap, something happened in my previous video about an episode that we did. It wasn't too well, and Nico was pretty, upset. But let's just get into the tour. So this is the entranceway. There's one door leading to Jonathan's room and one door leading to the hallway. So let's do Jonathan's room. He doesn't really play with toys or anything, or his parents don't really think about buying him toys, which is kind of weird. Well, that's kind of weird, but this is his room, plain as it is, very clean. He has a wardrobe. It's not really a wardrobe, it's like a costume. I don't know what to call it, like costume chest. I don't know. Ooh, kitty. Okay, this is Tabbory. I didn't name her yet because my little sweet got adopted by them right after the little baby, because they have Momo right here. Hello, Momo. So yeah, we have a little kitty that we haven't named yet. I don't know what to name her, but if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. So now let's do the master bedroom, or let's do this. Let's do little Nikki's room. So this is Nikki. She's actually 1 month old. That's kind of old. So this is her nursery. Very nice. And she always loves, her mom is always teaching her the colors of the rainbow. Over here. Do you see that rainbow thing over there? So she teaches her. She wants her to become everyone's favorite student, like a star student, as they call. So let's go here. That's basically it. Overview. And this is the bedroom. If you can't tell already, this is actually, I forgot what it was called, but it's like an ocean view house, which only comes available in the ocean view lots only. So it's basically the same thing, but I did a little bit of some upgrades. Like it's really different now. So this is the master bedroom. They made this room into a kitty area, and wow, both of the kitties are in the kitty area. I didn't know they would actually come here, but they do now. Let's call Momo over to here, and that's so cute. Oh my god, I did not know both of them were there. That's kind of cool. This is their bathroom. They don't have bathtubs because they don't do bathtubs, except the family. They do need a bathtub for the baby and the toddler. So let's go here. And I'm not sure what this is, and I can't get it out because I'm trying to, but I can't get it out. Like whenever I'm pressing on it, it just doesn't do anything. So I'm kind of upset because this is always in the way. It's like really sad. Like also this one, like why are there two of these things? They look like pee cleaners. Probably once you put it in there, they never come out. So this is like a little library area, kind of. Like we have the little playhouse, so it doesn't really look like a library area. But these are the bookcases, and these are like two black couches. That's all I can say about that. And I still have the painting here, so interesting, I guess. So this is the this is the family bathroom where the kids use. They can also use this bathroom, but they use this one. Actually, the family uses this one the most. You would have thought that the parents use this a lot. they actually use this one because it looks so gold and it's big. So yeah. That's the phone, that's the clock. The dad is always literally rushing to work, and then seeing the time here, and then goes from the car, and bam. And the mom is always here teaching her the colors, teaching Nikki the colors. Oh, the little kitty. I always find kitties so fascinating, and doggies. Like, they both look so cute. Anyways, let's go to the living room, which actually, if you watch my episodes, you probably would have thought that this part of the space was over here. Actually, I did an upgrade, and it's not here, it's actually here. I built another room, and it's right here. Same walls, same floors, everything the same. A lamp thingy here. I don't know what to call that, but whatever. So that is that. The coffee table, cool. That actually matches the couches. And this fabulous stereo that I got from the weekly task store. I don't know what this is called. Oh yeah, mystery box store. So yeah, it's really good. I love it. So this part over here, I'm actually not gonna tell you what this is, because actually this is supposed to be a surprise room, and you won't know what this is until you watch an episode that will come. Obviously it didn't come yet, but if you're watching this from the future, you probably know that it's there. So if you're watching this in the future, you probably already know what this is. She just put in a fashion thing, because I don't know what to call this. A fashion studio. So she made this her studio, but not for long. This is not going to be a studio for long. She thinks it will be a studio for a long time, and she'll have clothes. Even the Tabbory family doesn't know what's going to happen, and you guys already know what's kind of going to happen. I'm thinking, I don't know. So this is the outside, nothing much. They're not an outdoor person, I know. They don't like going outdoors, and I don't know if this is a rude thing, but they like slouching in their living room and watching TV. That's it. Oh, that's so cute. I always like the pets in this game. So most of the lots always have a pet or two. So yeah, I guess that's it. Here's an overview of the house. And I think, I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna tell it. I'm not gonna spoil it. It's kind of cool what they're gonna have later on. But, yeah. And, Nico's just really happy that the pool's clean and all is good. So, that was kind of random, but I guess that's it. So, bye guys. You guys have a nice day, and I will be posting once a week or two, because lately I always post every day, but today I did not, and I will not. I'll only post 2 or once a week. So, bye guys, have a nice day.